Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to spend Nectar points at Argos. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Nectar and then scroll down and then press on Argos here. And then we will see that for every £1 you spend at Argos, it's worth 1 Nectar point. So then we need to link our Argos account to Nectar account. We need to click here to link your Nectar and Argos accounts so that you automatically collect points on every online purchase you make at Argos. And then we press on get started. Now just click on link your Nectar account and that's it. Now let's say you want to spend those Nectar points at Argos. So all you need to do is open your Argos account and then add anything that you want to purchase to your trolley and then go here and then pay now and collect. And then all you need to do is enter your email address and password, and since it is already linked to your Nectar account, you will find your points and you will find how much you need to pay or if your points already cover that item's amount. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.